Hey guys, welcome back to a video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're doing an unboxing of a phone I bought on eBay. Let's take a look at it. There it is, it's a little sticky. It is a Motorola V551. It's on Cingular. It's probably going to be dead, but it seems to be in somewhat decent shape, so be an easy fix probably. Oh, look, it does have power in it. They got a full battery, just needs a SIM card. So I'm turning it off real quick. There it is. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.